Hey, what's up? Have you already heard about the first TV stick from Xiaomi? We have a picture that says the new device will be released in Europe in May 2020. We also have the image of how the new Xiaomi TV stick will look. It is very similar to Amazon Fire TV, don't you think so? Although specifications have not been confirmed yet, there are some rumors and leaks. Looks like the new TV stick from Xiaomi will be better than the popular Xiaomi Mi Box S. As you can see, Xiaomi Mi TV Stick is a very compact device. It will have HDMI 2.0 and microUSB or USB Type-C port. Also, the new TV stick from Xiaomi will come with remote control, just like Xiaomi Mi Box S. By the way, Xiaomi Mi Box S is one of the most popular TV boxes on Android TV. You know, the previous Xiaomi TV boxes and smart TVs run on MIUI TV operating system. It has many Chinese apps, services and ads. However, Xiaomi Mi Box S has stock Android TV, that's why it is so popular. The new Xiaomi Mi TV Stick will also run on Android TV. Because the new device will be available in Europe, there is no point to release TV stick with Chinese interface on European market. Most likely Xiaomi Mi TV Stick will have Android TV 9.0. I will be very surprised to see Android TV 10. Talking about specifications, many sources say about Amlogic S905Y2 quad-core processor. The new TV stick will be more powerful than Xiaomi Mi Box S. Also, it will have 2 GB of RAM and 8 or 16 GB of internal memory. Xiaomi Mi TV Stick will have a support of dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. HDMI 2.0 connectors allows to watch 4K and HDR videos at 60 FPS. Most likely the new TV stick from Xiaomi will have Google Assistant, Netflix, Prime Video, and other popular streaming services. As I already said at the beginning of this video, the first TV stick from Xiaomi should be released in May. The price is unknown, but I think it will be under $100. You can buy Xiaomi Mi Box S for only $50 right now, but the new TV stick will have better performance, so I think the price of $70 or $80 will be good. Xiaomi Mi TV Stick can compete with the most popular TV stick right now, Amazon Fire TV. The main features of Xiaomi TV Stick is low price, stock Android TV and good performance. What do you think about Xiaomi TV Stick? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.